Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we'll be doing a one-pot meal of curry chicken and rice. For this recipe we're going to start off with our salt and black pepper, also some green seasoning, some curry powder, chicken seasoning, and of course our fresh herbs and spices, bell peppers, garlic, onion. I also have some fresh thyme, parsley, and some scallion. I'll also be adding some olive oil. And I always try to keep a fresh batch of my green seasoning. Let's get right into it. So I went ahead and started adding all my seasonings. I'm just going to incorporate everything, cover it with plastic wrap, allow it to marinate for about an hour, and then we're going to start the cooking process. I'm starting with olive oil, followed by curry powder. Now again, my mix is Better Pack curry powder and Chief's curry powder. And I'm also going to be adding some green seasoning. So I went and I added some hot water to form this kind of like a slurry. And next we're going to start going in with the chicken. And here we have the chicken that has been seasoned. Just gonna add it to here. And I also added some fresh onion and garlic. See how that slurry is just sticking to the chicken, and that's what we want. It adds flavor, it adds color. Caribbean cooking is really cooking in layers. That's how we cook. So we add flavors as we go along. We just keep adding. That slurry is just coating the chicken so beautifully. I'm going to cover it up with the cover for the pot to allow it to sprout its own juices. Now the same bowl that it was marinating in, I went ahead with some hot water. And I added some to here. So over here I have onion, garlic, thyme, I have scallion, bell peppers, and parsley. And I'm just going to go in with half as it cooks. And then I'm going to add the rest when we're doing the rice. And now we're going to go in with the rice. Make sure you wash your rice. And now we go in with some peas and carrots, which I have here. And then I'll also be going in with my bell peppers. And this is how it looks, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I look forward to seeing you guys tuned into the next one. Catch you guys in the next video. Bye.